The O'Neills have been doing the Mike O'Neill Memorial Ride for a couple of years, and they pick local families and support them financially. This year, the two families they chose to support, one was Mitch Churchill's family, and the other was the family of Jackson Sensnick. Both battled cancer and unfortunately did lose the battle recently. Both of them recently lost the battle to cancer. But this ride has grown, and it's despite the rain. There was light drizzle, not a big deal, but the community just showed up. It's amazing how they showed up. Cars, we still had around 65 or 70 motorcycles. I don't know the exact number, and people just showed up. They were there to support the families and there to help raise money. They had a lot of raffles, about $48,000 worth of raffles. It was amazing. And after they did the raffles, we headed for PJ Wellahan's in Downingtown. Not a real long ride, but everything went great. Safe ride, and that's the most important thing. We rode to PJ Wellahan's, and some of us did. It doesn't matter when you come out to these rides if you support them, whether or not you do the ride or not, whether or not you even ride a motorcycle or not, really doesn't matter. Just come on out and support this type of stuff. So thanks for watching. Come on out and support these rides whenever you get a chance to.